Consider the ratio, 270 strawberries to 340 blueberries. We're going to do three things with this information. First, we're going to express the ratio as a reduced fraction. Then we're going to express that ratio as a decimal, run it to the thousandths place. And then we're going to interpret the ratio, and we're going to do that interpretation in a couple of different ways. We'll go from there. Okay, so first, express the ratio as a reduced fractions. So we started with 270 strawberries compared to 340 blueberries. And yes, I did those colors on purpose. Now, to do a reduced fraction, this is nice. They both end in a 0. So, if you divide by 10 right off the bat, you have 27 over 34. And now as you're looking at this, 2 doesn't work. 3 goes into the top but not the bottom. 4's not going to, even numbers are not going to work because of the 27 being an odd number. 9 goes into 27. That doesn't go into 34. So this is our reduced fraction. Now when we take that and we go into part B, where we're going to express the ratio as a decimal round to the thousandths place, 27 over 34. This fraction bar is the same as a division sign. So 27 divided by 34. You plug that in and your calculator is going to give you 0.7941. Thousandths place is the third decimal. If I look one past, right, that 1 tells me to round down. So my final answer is 0.794. And then we're going to interpret. Okay, so the first one I want to interpret is the fraction, the reduced fraction. To interpret this, we can say there are 27 strawberries to 34 blueberries. Right? That's one way to do it. When you look at 0.794, we can say there are 0.794 strawberries for every 1 blueberry. And this works because if you have a decimal, right, you can make anything a fraction by putting it over 1. And because strawberries come first, our numerator would represent strawberries. Now, we can take that 0.794 and we can talk about that a different way as well. This is thousandths, right? 3 decimal places. So if I wanted to make this a fraction, I could put that 794 over 1,000, right? That would be the same. So there are 794 strawberries to every 1,000 blueberries. Right? So hopefully those 3 interpretations make sense. And how we can take the different ratios, the fraction or the decimal, and talk about it in just a slightly different way.